Hi, today we'll see 11 CSS tricks and tips you must use in your projects. Number 1. How to center elements, horizontally and vertically. There is one common approach and it's using the CSS Flexbox layout. Flexbox provides an easy way to create flexible containers that can center their child's elements, for example. Number 2. Adding box shadows. Box shadows in CSS are a styling feature that allows you to create shadow effects around an element's box, its border and content. Here's an example. Here's an image to help you understand the box shadow property. Number 3. Gradient backgrounds. Creating gradient backgrounds in CSS is a powerful way to add visual appeal and depth to your web pages. Here's an example. If you are not familiar with this CSS syntax, CSS gradient generators are excellent tools that can help you create gradients easily. Number 4. Add transitions. Transitions in CSS allow you to create smooth effects when a CSS property changes over time. They provide a gradual transition from one state to another, making your web page feel more polished and visually appealing. You can apply transitions to various CSS properties, such as colors, sizes, positions, and more. Here's an example. Here's an image to help you understand the transition property. Number 5. Apply text shadows. You can apply text shadows in CSS using the text shadow property. The text shadow property allows you to add a shadow effect to text, making it stand out and giving it a more visually appealing appearance. This image will help you understand this property. Number 6. Style placeholder text. You can style placeholder text in input fields and text areas using the placeholder pseudo element in CSS. This allows you to change the font, color, and other properties of the placeholder text to match the overall design of your website. Here's an example. Number 7. Transparent background in CSS. To create transparent backgrounds in CSS, you can use the RGB function or the opacity property. Both methods allow you to adjust the opacity of an element, making it partially transparent. Here's how you can create transparent backgrounds using the RGB function. Number 8. Create circular elements. To create circular elements in CSS, you can use the border radius property with a value of 50%. Remember, the width and height of the element should be equal. When both width and height are the same, the border radius, 50%, will apply the circular shape evenly to all four corners of the element, resulting in a perfect circle. And that's why CSS is awesome. Number 9. CSS variables. CSS variables allow you to define reusable values in CSS that can be used throughout your style sheets. They are denoted by the double dash prefix followed by a custom name and a value. Number 10. Add transitions to pseudo-elements. Transitions can be applied to pseudo-elements just like regular elements in CSS. By using transitions, you can smoothly animate changes to pseudo-element styles, creating more engaging and interactive user experiences. Here's an example. Number 11. Text gradients. To create text gradients in CSS, you can use the background clip property along with the linear gradient function. This technique allows you to apply a gradient to the text, creating a smooth color transition within the text. Number 12. CSS is not hard. You may be exhausted with how many things you should learn. You could be making a website with CSS and changing one line of code may ruin your whole website and you may quit. You may have a headache. Like me right now. But it's worth it.